Changing your Bluehost password is a straightforward process, ensuring your account remains secure. Here's how to do it. Log into your Bluehost account. Visit the Bluehost website and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your current username and password. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or name at the top right of the dashboard. Choose Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab or section. This is where you will find options related to your account security, including password management. Change password. Click on the option to change your password. You may need to enter your current password for verification. Then, create a new password that is strong and secure. Ideally, a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Save changes. After entering the new password, click Save or Update to confirm your changes. Log in with the new password. Log out and then log back in using your new password to ensure it has been updated correctly.